In this video, I'll guide you through how to open Steam Overlay. The Steam Overlay is one of the platform's most useful features, allowing you to access important Steam tools without leaving your game. Whether you want to chat with friends, browse the web, check achievements, or view game guides, the overlay makes everything accessible with just a simple keyboard shortcut. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to enable and use the Steam Overlay so you can make the most of your gaming experience. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If Steam isn't already running, launch it from your desktop or Start menu. Once the application opens, you'll need to sign into your account. Click the Login button near the top right corner of the window, enter your account name and password, and then select Sign In. If your account uses two-factor authentication, complete the verification process before continuing. It only takes a few extra moments and helps keep your account secure. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. This is where you can browse your library, discover new games, and access all of Steam's settings. For this tutorial, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the application and click on Steam. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click on Settings. This will open a new window containing various categories that control how Steam behaves. Along the left side of the window, find and select the In-Game section. This is where you'll find all of the settings related to the Steam Overlay. Inside the In-Game settings, look for the option labeled Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Make sure this option is turned on or checked. This setting is essential because the overlay cannot be accessed while playing games unless it has been enabled. Just below that setting, you'll also find the keyboard shortcut used to open the overlay. By default, Steam uses Shift plus Tab, and for most users, this works perfectly. However, if you prefer a different shortcut, or if the default combination conflicts with another application, you can customize it to a key combination that's more comfortable for you. Once you've confirmed these settings, you're all set. The next time you launch a Steam game, simply press your chosen shortcut to bring up the Steam Overlay instantly. From there, you'll be able to chat with friends, browse community guides, check achievements, and access other useful Steam features without leaving your game. That's all there is to it. With the Steam Overlay enabled, you'll have quick access to helpful tools while keeping your gameplay uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your gaming experience.